Yeah. I'm in my east side state of mind, man. Shout out to my nigga V. Yeah. It's just practice. Listen, he got a fucking problem, mama saw that ASAP. 40 with the bean, clean beef, better than Ajax. Fucking with the king, now I'm blowing all loud packs. 95 airs, I prefer my kicks throwback. Stick it to the script, cause I'm all about my paper. I don't like a fucking faker or a hater. See you later, I'ma die doing what I love. Kobe from the Lakers. Big booty bitches, hope you got an earthquaker. I be getting on my oats, call me Mr. Quaker. Every day super high, nigga, call me Mr. Fader. Yeah, the pistol's all black like Vader, no sabers. Barrel still steaming, I done turn them into vapors. I'm a slayer with this pen and the beast with my mind. I put them both together, X me in rhymes. Never X out the grind, boy, it's worldwide. And niggas talk a lot, now I choose my words wise. Yeah, it's J Black, always on his job, never slacking. It's J Black, never on vacation, but he packing. J Black, get these niggas pain like attraction. And this is not a flow, this is only verbal practice. Yeah.